Check this out, folks. This is the brand here. Link will be down below, affiliate link. So if you use it, I get a little kickback. It's a magnetic mount. It's easier to show you once I attach it. And it comes with all this on top. But let me go ahead and install it really quick and take some video samples and see what it looks like. Went ahead and tightened it down. This would work better on a higher bar. As you can see, my bar is lower. Ideally, I'd probably put this up here and move this around. I don't use that little cheap bell. This is the magnetic part, these two. Look at this, watch this. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. To release it, press that in, turn it counterclockwise, comes out. Here it is, folks, my GoPro 11, place it in. Really simple. Clockwise, and that's it. It's locked in place, it's not going in. Gravel road. Asphalt, here we go. $18 miles per hour. We'll take it off-road a little bit and see how the mount does. Here we go. I'm taking the large ruts or dips. Sandy area. Woo! Very nice. That's it, folks. That's it. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe for more e-scooter, cargo camping, outdoor activity. If you're into that, hit that like and subscribe. See you in the next video.